What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys, but today, as you can see, I got the big dog in the house. Samsung has done it again. If you're a member of my channel, you know I am a Samsung fanboy, so you had to know that I would be getting my hands on this bad boy. But I didn't even know I would be getting my hands on this bad boy this soon. But here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, Note 20 Ultra 5G. As I like to call it, the 5 Goliath. Now, the Note 10 Plus 5 Goliath held that title for a long time, but not no more. The Note 20 has taken its spot. Now, this ain't going to be an in-depth review. I just got it today, got it this morning. Been playing with it for a little bit while I was at work. And I am highly impressed. Just go over the specs. As you can see, I got that mystic bronze color. By far the best colored phone I've ever seen in my life. I love it. It's got that rose gold look. But it also got that brushed look as well. So you don't get no fingerprints. No fingerprints at all. That glass back, that Gorilla Glass Victus, I believe is what they call it. Gorilla Glass V. On the back and on the front, I do believe. This screen, 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED glory. Absolutely stunning. This screen, look, I'm telling you. Let me turn down the brightness a little bit. The screen is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Volume rockers on the side, power button there. Screen 120 megahertz, IP68 rating, 865 plus Snapdragon. Y'all know I don't like talking about specs. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 storage. That's the model I have here. 4,500 milliamp battery. Cameras. Look at this hump. Look at this hump, y'all. Y'all remember the S10 Ultra? That hump, though. That's a massive hump. But that's okay, because it's housing these big boys right here. Got a 12 megapixel ultra wide at the top. 108 wide angle. And a 12 megapixel telephoto. The front 12 megapixel camera up there at the top there, you can see is very small. It is smaller than actually the Note 10 Plus. Very, very small. Sometimes forget it's there. Did I say 10 or 12 megapixel up there at the top? I can't remember. I'll correct it if I was wrong, though. You know it. Laser focus on the front. Maybe on the back too. I don't know. I'm hype, y'all. I'm just hype. I'm just hype. I was trying not to look at any videos or not look at any other unboxings and stuff like that, because I wanted to be surprised when I got it. Got your microphone up there at the top, SIM tray, and micro SD card slot up there at the top. Got your speaker grill down there at the bottom. If you notice the difference between if you had the Note 10 Plus, the S Pen switched sides. So the S Pen used to be on this side on the Note 10 Plus. They switched the side. I'm not sure why, but whatever. USB-C charging port right there at the bottom. This color though, this color is freaking amazing. I absolutely love this color. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Does not show fingerprints at all. Like, I don't know if you can really tell. I mean, you might see a little bit of smudges, but it ain't like, you know, the like on the Note 10 Plus. You got that black one, or even the I forgot what they call it, like the rainbow one. That's the one I got. I forgot the name of it. But the one that had all of the colors in it, man, touch it one time, it was a wrap. You continuously wiping it down. But this one right here, it don't show them fingerprints at all. Now you might see some fingerprints here on the camera, on the glass, but that's okay. Like I said, the little bit of time that I've been rocking with this, playing with this today, buttery smooth, that 120 hertz refresh rate. Now the only thing I don't like, I'm gonna go and say it right now, is you cannot have the screen at the highest resolution and have the 120 hertz refresh rate activated. I don't understand why they do that. Samsung, can you release an update or something to let us unlock that? Other phones are doing it, so you can't say it's impossible. Let us decide if we want to drain our battery or not. I want to rock the highest refresh rate and the highest screen resolution at the same time. I don't want to do either or, but whatever. I got it on full HD right now, and so I can have that 120 hertz smoothness. But man, look, this is just a quick video letting you guys know that I am back, and look at what I got. It is absolutely beautiful. Y'all know how I do. I'll be back in about a week or two with my full review. Put it through the ringer, take some photos, but I already know this thing gonna be boss. Straight boss. Look, just look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, little short video. Note 20 Ultra 5G, also known as the new 5 Goliath. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And I'll see y'all in about a week. Peace.